In this tutorial, you will learn how to search for classes, put classes in your shopping cart, and finally enroll. The first step is to ensure your institution and term are set. You'll want to ensure that it's Bowling Green State University and the term of fall semester 2020. The next option we'll be doing is using the class search box area. In this section, we'll be searching for a select subject and course number. Today, we are going to search for a Biology 2050. If you know the subject prefix, you can type it in, BIOL for biology. If you don't know the subject prefix, you can select subject and find it in the course catalog. But for this particular case, we already know it. You can also narrow down your search by clicking on course career, campus, course attributes, and course attributes value. But in this particular case, we're going to leave those all open. So we're going to go ahead and click and enter to search for Biology 2050. You'll notice as we scroll down, you'll see the different concepts of Biology 2050, number 2. You'll see in the class number, you'll see a section number, the days and times of the course, the location, the staff, the status of the class, and it can select the course. A green circle means the class is open and able to be enrolled in. A yellow triangle means the class is waitlisted, and a blue square means the class is closed. And you can see this at the top of the courses in the symbol area. Concepts of Biology 2 and Biology 2050 has two different components. It is a lecture and a lab. In the section, you can see where it says 1001-lecture, regular, and the one right below it says 1003-lab. You'll want to ensure when you're enrolling in Biology 2050 that you're enrolling into the lab and the lecture. Some classes just have a lecture, some have a lab, and some also have a recitation. So when you click into the course itself, you'll want to ensure that you read all of the different components of the class, and that can be seen by doing this. Once in the course itself, in the class components, this is where you can see what's required for the course itself. In this case, it says laboratory required and lecture required. In the course, you can also see the description of what the course will be covering and any notes about the particular course itself. Once you know that this is the course you want to enroll in, at the bottom of the screen, you would be able to click Select Class. If the course has another component, such as a laboratory, it'll bring up the different laboratory sections that are available to enroll in. You'll notice that it also will share the section number, the schedule of when that lab is, the location, and the status. You'll want to ensure that the lab is also available to enroll in as well. The buttons on the right, you'll click on to say which exact lab you want to enroll in. So in this case, we're going to select section 1202. Once selected, we can then hit the Next button. It will then show that this is the particular lecture that is attached to the lab section that you chose. If this is correct, go ahead and hit the Next button again. You'll first want to ensure that both the lecture and lab are both green circles, meaning they're open. If for some reason one of these classes is waitlisted, you can always click Waitlist if class is full. This will put you on a waitlist and give you a position number. You'll also want to ensure that the grading option is graded. You do have some options of ensuring or changing the grading option to pass-fail. Finally, you want to ensure the correct units per credit hour. If all of this is correct and this is the course you want to enroll in, you'll hit the Next button. you'll notice that it now says Biology 2050 has been added to your shopping cart. We'll now go through to understand how to look at your shopping cart and enroll into classes. On the left-hand menu, you'll want to click on Shopping Cart. You'll want to ensure that you select the term in which you're looking to apply, so in this case, Fall Semester 2020, and then hit the Next button. Once inside your shopping cart, you should now see the specific class that you were wanting to enroll into. If this is correct, you'll want to scroll down and hit Proceed to Step 2 of 3. If this is also correct, you'll want to make sure you hit Finish Enrolling. You'll notice now that we have officially enrolled into Biology 2050. We see that in the status by a green check. If you notice a red X, that means that the class was not successfully enrolled into. This has been a basic tutorial of how to enroll into classes using the class search option.